Hi guys, I'm reviewing this kitchen timer here, and this is what it looks like right here. It uses one AAA battery, which I've put in right here. Has a little stand on it as well. I really like the little stand right there, so that way you can have it sitting up as you're cooking something. Also has two little magnets. Oops. It has two little magnets there. That way you can stick it to the fridge. But yeah, I'd rather use a stand. And it has the user manual here. And you just heard it beep. So I'm going to try to set this for, I guess, yeah, 2 minutes and 18 seconds. I need to figure out how to do it. Let me see. How do you... Okay, there it's counting it down. But that's too long. Hold on. No. Wow, it goes... Okay, let's do it for 1 minute and 5 seconds and let it go off. I should have done it just for a couple seconds, but that's okay. And it's probably going to go off really loud, which is great because if you're like all the way in, I don't know, in another room, that way you can really hear it go off if you have like a large house. 37 seconds to go. Yeah, Sean uses these timers all the time when he's doing cooking. He likes to do a lot of cooking. Our last one we had messed up. It fell on the ground because he was using the magnets to attach it to the fridge and it fell. I think that's what happened. But he's going to be happy to use this one. Okay, we got 9 seconds. There you go. Alright, so you heard it there. It's simple enough. It's really easy. Minutes there, seconds there, start and stop. Alright guys, if you guys want to order one, the link to this is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and see you on the next video.